Hello guys, hope you're doing fine. Today I'm gonna show you how you can create a gem on Gemini of Google to create awesome and original designs and potentially a bestseller. This was a request that someone posted on the comments. He asked me for my personal gem that I use, but I think it's better that everyone knows how to build the gems and build them customized as they want. Okay, let's go.
How to create a gem. How to create a gem.
First, I'm gonna show you what a gem is. Gems are like the GPTs of ChatGPT, but from Google Gemini. Here, I'm gonna show you a list of examples of gems that I have. I have art style POD, that this is a personal list of many styles I have saved for around 2 months. This is based on fonts, this is on Pinterest trends, art styles, Skittle trends, etc. You can make it of anything. Okay, so now to start, I'm going to ask Gemini I'm gonna show you a prompt that I had here. I'm gonna ask Gemini to make me a list of the 30 most important art and graphic styles of the last years that I can use to generate original and cool crypto-demand designs for t-shirts, and to make each one with at least 25 original keywords that describe each style. You can take a snapshot of this prompt or create one yourself, and you can of course ask to put like 100 hairstyles, 200, 500, I don't know, or more keywords here. You choose, it's free. Okay, so now I'm going to Gemini. I'm gonna put Brock here, and I'm gonna ask for the list. Okay, let's see. It's thinking. Here we have the list of the 30 most important art and graphic styles for print on demand. Retro back, retro vaporwave, dark Y2K, EK. You can read it, but I'm gonna copy this. This way you can make designs fast and original and different from what you see usually on merch on demand or other sites. Okay, now I'm gonna copy this and I'm gonna go to my text edit, create a new one, and paste this here. All my styles. I'm gonna delete this and I'm gonna export this as a PDF. Art styles to my desktop. Okay, here I got the PDF, and now I'm ready to create my new gem. So I go to gems here, and you see this new gem. No, this is the one. Plus new gem. Let's say we'll put a title, example art styles 2026. Here's description, POD art styles. Never mind, you can put anything. And here I'm gonna put the instructions for the gem. I already have them here. This, you can copy them if you want, in press pause and copy them in with a snapshot, and then recreate it into GPT or Gemini. This basically says that I want to search all the list of art styles and choose the 5 best art styles for the request, writing down, or the reference that I'm including in the gem. You will see what it means. I'm gonna copy this, go to my instructions. Okay, and then in knowledge here, I'm gonna upload the PDF file we just created. Okay, here we upload it. Just like that, we have our example of styles gem. Save. Okay, it's start chat. We can start using it now. Now I'm gonna make a fast, easy search of anything so that we can create our designs. 5 new designs. Let's find a bestseller. Okay. Let's say we find a bestseller here that is not trademark. Okay, let's say we wanna do this. I've survived 6-7 plus 3 days of school. Very, very trendy design. Okay, we go here to our gem example styles 2026, and we put it here. To make sure it uses the same text, I'm gonna put use the exact same text, because sometimes it messes up and doesn't create the text exactly. And now we're gonna put here Pro. Thinks longer for advanced math and code. It thinks longer and better, okay? Let's see what we get. It's thinking again. You see, this is very easy process. Once you got the gem, it's very easy and fast. Okay, here we got our 5 prompts. Let's see what we get. I'm gonna copy this and create a new Gemini. Here chat, create image. Here, Pro, it gives the best results. But you have to pay for this. If you want the free, you have to use fast. I don't know thinking, but fast is sure free. Let's see. In the meantime, I'm gonna copy the next one. Create image, Pro. Let's go. Last one. Yeah. Create image, Pro. Let's go. Let's see a first result. You see, it's a good result and different from the reference. More kawaii style. Gonna download this. I like it. Text is good. Graphics are good. This is the second result. Put it in a mock-up of a shirt. So I'm gonna say put on a solid black background no mock-up. Let's see the third one. Okay, good result, but it's also a mock-up. So put it on a solid. Cool. You see, this is like a glittery neonish style, but it's different from the reference. I think it's cooler than the reference. I'm gonna download this. Okay, this is tilted like a original one. So I'm not gonna use this. Let's see the the rest of this. Okay, let's go here, Pro. And you see easily we have already 2 new designs that we can sell that are original and are a bestseller. Okay, this is very new one. Okay, this is more like a collage, handmade for children's school, and I'm sure, and I have not seen this in merch yet, or at least it's not as popular or competitive as the rest of them. You see that this is like a half-tone texture, very cool, like grungy. You see, now we have 4 awesome new original designs that are sure gonna sell if the competition is not too high and you use good keywords in your title and bullets. And you can, if you want to have more, you go to the gym and you just say make me 5 more or 10 more, and it's gonna use 10 new design or art styles that you have in your gems that are very descriptive. Remember, they had 35 keywords for each gem, for each art style. Here we go. I'm gonna just make one more. Okay, this is awesome. This is like arcade, like pixelated. It's very cool. Wow, I think I'm gonna save this gem. Okay guys, I hope you make your personal unique gems. If you have luck, please share your comments on below and see you on the next one. Thanks, bye.